Hi, today we cover practical side in placeholder syntaxes of prompt engineering. You have to do firstly identify the repeated task. By then you need to create template for all these repeated tasks. So let me give some example for that. This is a very simple example. So you need to apply this for your any kind of task. Imagine that you have to create a polite and professional email day by day or repeatedly. So you can create template for that. Let's say go to the chatgpt. So this is I created a template. This is very small template. To give some example for you, I create a small template. According to your task, you can add some more details for your template. So I run this template. Then chatgpt give this email related to this template. So now you can create using this template more and more email by only changing these parameters. I give some example for that. Now you can only give this parameter. So you can now you can see I give only this change only this parameter, then again and again you can get different kind of email using this chatgpt. And also we can tell chatgpt to create some template for us. Let's do that. I ask this, so I remove this. I tell him to chatgpt write for my email. Remove this. Like that. Access to write formal email. Make it polite and professional. So then chatgpt write email by giving some placeholder syntax. actual name. So you can I give only some example. You can give more detail. Adding some details, you can get more accurate result using chatgpt. Try it by yourself. And also we can translate some sentences, so we can create some template for that. Let's do that. I write template like that. So I run this template. Yes. So let's see, try another example. Choose English 700. Source language English, target language similar. You can see it's well. How you can use you can use some only type only this parameter, then chatgpt result. So let's see, change this target language as Tamil. I don't know Tamil language. I can't understand Tamil language, but I did not understand. Now let's see, create some summarization template. So I give text as Steve Jobs, about Steve Jobs. So give this details. So let's summarize this. So you can try by yourself some task. So we will meet by another lesson.